There was a time when childhood was short. Not because it was unimportant, but because survival came first. At the beginning of the 20th century, American children were not protected from the world. They worked in factories, on farms, in workshops filled with dust and noise. School was a privilege. Play was rare. A child was not seen as fragile. A child was seen as useful. Growing up was not a choice. It was a necessity. After World War II, everything changed. America built a new image of childhood. Green lawns. Quiet suburbs. Bicycles on empty streets. For the first time, childhood looked carefree. Children played outside until sunset. Parents believed the world was safe. This became the picture many still remember as the perfect childhood. But this picture was incomplete. It did not include everyone. Many children were still excluded by race, poverty, and segregation. Still, the idea was born. Childhood should be happy. By the 1980s, fear slowly entered the story. Crime rates rose. News became darker. Parents started to worry. Children were told to stay inside. Television replaced the street. Video games replaced open fields. Childhood moved indoors. Safety increased. Freedom quietly disappeared. Children were no longer explorers. They became something to protect. In the 2000s, childhood became structured. Schedules replaced spontaneity. Tests replaced curiosity. Success became the goal. Children were no longer just growing. They were being prepared. Prepared for college. Prepared for competition. Prepared to win. Mistakes were discouraged. Time was measured. Childhood turned into a project. And then came the screen. Today, American children are more protected than ever. They are supervised. Connected. Always reachable. But they spend less time outside. Less time with friends. Less time alone with their thoughts. Many experience anxiety before they experience freedom. Loneliness before independence. They are online. But often alone. Childhood in America did not disappear. It transformed. Children no longer work. They no longer face hunger like before. They are safer. But safety came at a cost. The world became smaller. Quieter. More controlled. And the question remains. Did childhood become better? Or did it simply become different?
Bye everyone, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.